Hi, I'm Jason, and today we're making a bracelet out of wire and coax cable, and we've just finished our beads and the glue inside is drying. So next what we want to do is take the razor blade that's we're going to use for the charm on the bracelet, and a safety pin. Take the safety pin and put in the razor blade and close it. Now what you want to do this for is to make sure that we're going to actually cut some of the safety pin away and make a clasp that will hold the safety pin in place. You want to make sure that you've got plenty of room. You've got almost actually twice as much as you need, because we're going to cut this safety pin basically in half. One that I've done on another one, as you can see, is basically the safety pin. It's cut in half, and we're just going to bend it over. But this will keep the charm in the middle of where it's supposed to be, and so you want to make sure that the safety pin you're using is big enough. This one is big enough, so we know that'll work for the charm, and the other safety pin is the same size, and we'll use it for the clasp on the back. And again, this is one I've already done, so we'll just look. It's obviously big enough. So in the next step, what we'll do is I'll show you how to cut the safety pin where it's needed to be cut and fold it over. And it's something that you've got to get right on the first or second try. If you bend it back and forth too many times, it's going to just break and you'll have to start over. So we'll make it and get it in place, and we'll actually put a little bit of glue on it so that nobody will be tempted to try to take it off, and it'll last forever that way. So in the next step, I'll go ahead and show you how to cut it off and make the clasp for the back and for the charm.